Hi, my name's Hannah,
I'm Ariane.
and today we're going to be talking to you about T-charts.
T-charts are an instructional strategy that can help English language learners decide between two different categories.
The materials required for this are a piece of paper, this is what we'll be using in our lesson, and then you can use either a marker, and then if the students are sorting pictures, they might need glue or tape, and if they're just writing, they'll just need a pen or a pencil.
This strategy would be appropriate for all levels of proficiency of English language learners. We're going to be using T-charts to cover the T in first grade science that discusses living and non-living items. Our objective for this activity is students will be able to distinguish between living and non-living items, getting 6 out of 6 items correct.
The help for this activity is the students will use visual, contextual, linguistic support to confirm and enhance understanding. The language objective, the student will be able to use science vocabulary to discuss living and non-living items with their fellow peers. This is our example of a T-chart. So first, when you're making a T-chart, you're going to draw a line down the middle and then a line at the top, and so you can split it into two categories. So our categories are living and non-living to go along with our T. And so what you can do is you can either give the students a word bank or pictures, and so for ours we use pictures, but we also included the words, so this helps ELLs more at the beginner level be able to still categorize these items. And so first the students can look at it, so they have a rock, so they know that like a rock doesn't reproduce, it doesn't breathe, it doesn't use energy, so they can put that under non-living. So the same would go for a lamp, a person does reproduce and does use energy, a monkey does reproduce and does use energy, and then a cup doesn't reproduce, doesn't use energy, doesn't move on its own, and then flowers are living as well. So that's kind of how your students can sort those and use a T-chart in a lesson.
This method of using T-charts helps students with second language acquisition by giving students visuals to connect with vocabulary words and gives the students an organized way to see comparisons between topics.
Thanks for watching.
Gig 'em. Okay, that's